66744 on the rear. 66774 on the rear, sorry. 165026 is just pulling into London Marylebone. Sorry, my camera's being a bit laggy right now. One 165026. 165026 and 165007 to London Marylebone. Now getting ready to depart platform 2 is the 1054 Chiltern Railway service to High Wycombe. Next up is High Wycombe only, 165019. My camera is being laggy today. I might have used up a lot of storage. Right, it's ready. Thank you. 165019. One 165019 to High Wycombe. One 168112. 168112 off to London Marylebone. And there's another non-stopper service coming in on platform 2 this time. So if you guys are confused, that's platform 1, this is platform 2. Welcome to Beaconsfield. If you guys are curious, we've actually filmed here before, but I only did like a short clip of a Chiltern train passing through here. And now we're making it into a full video. Oh, the shelter's in the way. One 168038. 165038. Sorry. 165038 to Banbury. But yeah, guys, like I was saying to you, we have actually filmed here before, but we only got a short clip of a class 168 going to London Marylebone from that side. If you remember, we stood here, we stood around here, literally kind of where my bike is. Anyway, see you guys in a bit. Now pulling in is 168003 on the 1114 Chiltern Railway service to London Marylebone. Calling at Gerrards Cross and Wembley, calling at Gerrards Cross, Wembley Stadium and London Marylebone. He should be going now. It's 11. Yeah, doors are shutting. Actually, no, my watch is a minute ahead. Yeah, my watch is a minute ahead, so actually... Yeah, now he's off. There goes 168003. One 168 to London Marylebone. Right, next train due in on platform platform 1 is the 11:25 Chiltern Railway service to London Marylebone, calling I think it's an all stopper service to London Marylebone. The departure board is there, not that you can see it very well because it's quite far away, but yes, I'll throw the announcement on the caption as you go. I'll throw the stops that he stops it on the caption so you can see where he's stopping. So he's calling at Sea Green and Jordan's, Gerrard's Cross, West Ruislip, Norfolk Park, Sudbury Hill Harrow, Wembley Stadium. Well, no. Oh, that's roughly down. Hold on. It's. I'll put the stops in order when on the caption when this video when I go to edit this video, I'll put in what they are in order so you can see them clearly. But I think it's Sea Green and Jordan's, Gerrard's Cross, Wembley Stadium, Norfolk Park, Sudbury Hill Harrow or something. I don't remember. Train should just be pulling in a minute. He's pulling in. I can hear it. One 165.019 to London Marylebone. It's a 2-car. And I just heard the announcements going off saying that there's a non-stopper service pulling in on this. There, my bloody hell! 168.217. Bloody hell! That came through fast.
That's what she said.
Bloody hell! 165.019 to London Marylebone. That scared the hell out of me. I love what it just said. There's a non-stopper service coming into this platform and just zooms. There goes 165.019 to London Marylebone. London Marylebone. Come on, thrash it. Right, next pulling in on platform 2 is the 11:32 Chiltern Railway service from London Marylebone to Oxford via Bicester Village. Yes, I just had to announce it. So next is the 11:32 Chiltern Railways service to Oxford. I'm not going to do the stops for it because I don't actually know what I think it's doing. I think it's going Hadnam and Tame Parkway, Bicester Village, and Oxford Parkway and Islip. I'm not sure if it is covering Islip. But yeah, I know it's doing. I heard it do. I heard it say Bicester Village, so I know it's stopping there. But I'm not sure if it's doing Hadnam and Tame either. But we'll wait and see. There's a non-stopper flat on platform 1 as well. So it's still stopping at High Wycombe, Saunderton, Princess Risborough, Hadnam and Tame Parkway, Bicester Village and Oxford Parkway. That's the stops, and Oxford as well. And there should be a passing train coming through in a minute. You can hear it. One 325. 325 and 168 That was 325 and 111, if you're wondering. Now pulling in is a class 165 over to Oxford. Stopped a bit short. 165027 to Oxford. And he's departing a minute late, but that's okay. One 165027 and 165018 to Oxford via High Wycombe and High Wycombe, Prince Risborough and Hadnam and Tame Parkway. Okay, now pulling in is the 1147 Chiltern Railways service to London Marylebone, calling at Gerrards Cross and London Marylebone. 165009. And 165 something else is on the rear. Right, he's departing. I like that engine though. 165009. 165009, 165002 to London Marylebone. I know something's pulling in. I didn't hear it getting out. Maybe I did actually, I don't know. It is 165023 on the... What are we on? I think 1152 service to London, to High Wycombe. I think it's the 1154 service to High Wycombe. Boom, boom. Yeah. So we'll be alright. Should we go? Thank you. 165/23 off to High Wycombe. One 168 168 to Birmingham Snow Hill. And there's a non-stop on platform 1 as well, apparently. It's coming. That's what she said. 168-326. 168-326, 168-326 and 168-219 off to London Marylebone. And there goes a class 390. Avanti West Coast. It says Milton Keynes. Okay, here goes 350. Here goes a class 350 off to Bletchley. Welcome to back to Berkhampstead station. I filmed it before, by the way. Yeah, I've got a video. I'll show you it if you want. There goes 350-258 off to Bletchley. Yay! Go. And they go 350-376. That's what she said.